A 75 kg petty thief wants to escape from a third-story jail window. Unfortunately, a makeshift rope made of sheets tied together can support a mass of only 58 kg. How might the thief use this rope to escape? Give quantitative answer. This is based on the course. Okay, let us see the problem. The thief wants to escape from the third story jail window. Okay, so here is the thief, our thief, and then he made a rope, and then unfortunately the rope can support only 58 kgs, and our thief's weight is mass is 75 kilograms. So we know F tension acts upwards and Fg acts downwards if we start hanging. But the moment he hangs to this rope, the rope will break and then he can't make the escape possible. Okay, so what he should do, he has to slide down so that uh, the rope can sustain his weight. Okay, let us see. So, what are the forces acting on this? Sigma Fi is equal to Ft minus Fg is equal to Ma. Okay, so here the maximum supportable weight is 58 into 9.8, that means 568.4 newtons. But the weight of the thief is 735 newtons. Okay, so this must be equal to Ma. So the acceleration should be 2.22 meters per second square. So if the thief manages to slide down with an acceleration of 2.22 meters per second square, because the negative sign indicates the downward direction, the acceleration should be downward direction. So if he can slide down with an acceleration of 2.22 meters per second square, he can easily manage to escape with this makeshift rope. He don't require any extra thing or any strong rope beyond this. With this, he can manage. Understood? That's it. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.